What's up, you guys? It's been a long time since I've uploaded. So I've had a lot of life changes happen to me, and they're good ones. Started off training for a new job, got the full-time position. Now I'm back in California. As I mentioned in the last video, I moved to Washington for a bit. So I'm back here. That means more content for you guys. So before I show you guys the new project, I do owe you guys some updates on the current projects. Let's start with this guy, Chevy 3100 project. This has not been on the channel for a while, and as you could tell, it is looking rough. And the biggest reason why we haven't done anything with this truck is money. You see, this is my brother's truck, so he's pretty much funding the whole entire project. I'm videoing it and helping him along with it. However, he is in a lot better position to resume work on this, so you guys will start seeing some content soon on this. So this is my other brother Reese's Volkswagen Beetle that we completely restored from the ground up, minus the interior. We had someone take care of that. This took a long time to get it to where it's at right now. It looks great. You guys may recognize this from the previous videos of the paint booth. And also the one that gets the most traction on my channel is this engine. A lot of you guys had a lot of questions about this engine. And yes, it's still running, which is awesome considering that I've never built a Volkswagen engine. It is filthy, don't mind it. It does get cleaned, I promise you guys. And lastly, on this Bug, we got a really cool Sidewinder exhaust. And the last project that I need to talk about is the MR2. The MR2 is gone. I sold it and I'm very sad about it. But obviously with the whole life change and the new job, I had to get rid of it, which leads me to this new project. Now this is my 1969 Dodge Dart. So my whole life, I've always wanted to race in something, whether that's dirt bikes, cars, whatnot. And this car is gonna be the car that I take down the drag strip. So I set my goals probably a little too high than what I could achieve, but I'm gonna build this car with the 850 certified cage. And I have an engine for it. I actually have a Gen 3 Hemi out of a Scat Pack that I'm gonna be using. And the rear end is gonna get a 4-link with the 8.8. I've been so eager to get the ball rolling on this. So as you can see, the interior is already gutted. A while back, I sold some of the interior parts that I don't need because obviously this is gonna be a full purpose drag car. So for now, in this video, I do wanna start by cleaning this area up and get it prepped for some primer and a roll cage. Alrighty guys, the car is pretty much fully gutted. As you can see, the windows and the parts out of it are missing, the regulators and whatnot on all 4 windows. And everything on the floor is gone. Everything on the ceiling is gone. So we are ready to start cutting this thing up and adding some tubing. All right guys, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. In the next video, we're gonna be cutting part of the floor pan out in order to fit a new 4-link, along with getting the axle prepped to accept some 4-link brackets. Hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.